Hey y'all, happy Sunday. My name is Sonali. Welcome to my channel if you are new. If you are, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Trying to get to 30k subscribers by June. And if you're already subscribed, make sure your post notifications are on so you can get notified for every video I post. Today, I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset vlog. I've been wanting to film one of these for a while. I've really just been into productivity, health and wellness vlogs, that kind of a category, I guess. This morning, I actually started off the day by doing 12-3-30, and I'm gonna make a whole video about it. So that's why I didn't film it in this vlog. So I'm gonna be trying it out for 14 days straight, and I'll let you guys know my results. Today marked the 7th day, and I'm feeling pretty good. And then I took a shower, and now it is time to just get my freaking shit together and kind of just get ready for this coming week. I feel like I have so much going on in my mind. The new month is starting, and I actually had like a couple of goals that I wanted to get done in January, and I still have not done them, so I'm gonna try to make them happen this week. I also have a lot of cleaning up to do and just like tidying up the apartment. I hate waking up on Mondays and my place is a disaster. So I really try to tidy up and just get things organized in general. My life, my apartment, everything. So I'm gonna take you guys along throughout my day. Background, I'm just hanging out in my closet, so it's gonna be a bit of a mess, but I wanted to show you guys this organization thing that I bought on Amazon. I am a nail polish hoarder. I have all my nail polish just randomly jumbled in this bin, and then I saw this on Amazon, and it is a nail polish organizer, so I'm going to go through and just put everything in here and try to make it as aesthetic as possible. So this is what it looks like, and you can open up the back too. So it has this side and then this side, and that's great because I feel like I have a bunch of nail polishes, but I also want to take the time to get rid of some that are just not worth having in my collection. Maybe they're just not the greatest nail polish, or they're dried out, or they're just really old. So let's do this. I might need another one. I thought this would be enough because there's like a lot of slots in this, but there's a lot more that is just sitting in the bin. So I also need to go through it and see which ones I actually want to keep though, because I put my really good nail polishes in this one. So I have my static nail polishes, which I love, and then I have Olive and June, which I also really like. I have so many fun colors for them, and I really want to get into nail art. I bought this thing on Amazon, and it came with like so many random little tools and jewels, and it also came with like this foil stuff, so I will link that down below because I feel like nail art is super popular now. And then also Olive and June has amazing tools. I really like their brush. Where'd it go? Fell out. Their little brush. You use this brush to clean up your cuticles, and it works so well. I guess you could use any brush, but that brush has literally changed the game for me. So I want to get it more into nail art. I'm just really not like very artistic in that way. I feel like I always have vision, but I'm not able to execute it properly. I'm creative, but like not in that way, unfortunately. I wish I could draw so bad and like paint and everything, but it's just not me. Anyways, let me show you my masterpiece. Here's all my Olive and June nail polish. Like I said, super fun colors. And then I'm gonna click it and turn it over. And here are my static nails, and then I just have like a couple OPIs, but they are beautiful and they're all my neutral colors. I feel like it can all fit.
Yeah, I said no.
What?
I said no.
I only have this much. The laundry's going, so sorry for the loud noises in today's vlog, but I just ate breakfast. Now it's time to do a little bit of computer work. I actually just posted a sponsored post on Instagram, so now I want to kind of work on this video script that I've been working on for a really long time. I just really need to finalize some stuff, and then I'm gonna film it sometime this week, so hopefully I can get it done. It's really the only thing that's been taking me so long because I don't want to miss something that I need to add into the video, you know? So trying to give myself some time to think about all of the things I need to put in the video. It's noon, and since I worked out pretty early this morning, I'm feeling so sleepy, but I thought I would open up a really exciting package. I reached out to Tineco because I was looking for a new vacuum. We have a pretty cheap one. It's really bulky and really big and just honestly annoying to carry around the whole apartment because it's just so heavy, and also it has a cord. It's not a cordless vacuum, and I've been wanting a cordless vacuum for so long. So they sent me over their Pure 1X vacuum. This is actually a smart vacuum, and obviously it's cordless. It's lightweight, and you can also use it as like a handheld vacuum. So it just has like a lot of really cool features, and I'm really excited to try it out. My biggest problem is actually not pet hair. I do have a dog, but she doesn't shed. I'm the one that sheds, so my hair is all over the place, and we do have carpets, so it just kind of gets up into the carpet and it's really gross. So I just wanted to have a cordless vacuum because I feel like it'd just be so much easier to vacuum more frequently, you know? It's such a chore to get out my bulky vacuum and do the whole house, but I feel like this is just gonna make my life so much easier. For the charging station, it comes with a wall mount, and I think I'm gonna wait for Ryan to get home to help me set that up. I'm not really sure where we'll put it yet. Hopefully there's an outlet in my closet so we could just store it there. It also comes with a couple other brushes and like attachments for the handheld vacuum, so you can like clean your couch and like take it in your car and do that, which honestly, I definitely need to do that, and I think Ryan's gonna use it a lot for his car. I want to show you guys how loud it is. I'm on the hardwood right now, and then I'm gonna go onto the carpet, so let's see. Okay, now going on the carpet, back onto the hardwood. The fact that you can hear my voice still while the vacuum is on is really great. I'm gonna do the whole house, let's see how it goes, and I'll report back. Sophie, go! I now understand the hype of cordless vacuums. Like, it was not even like half the effort of what I used to use, because I would have to unplug it, then take it to the next room, and then once I like am so far away that the cord like is about to unplug, I have to do it all over again. Like I said, this is a smart vacuum, so it knows when there's something that's not supposed to be on the ground. So it actually suctions more, and then that's how the battery is supposed to be like long lasting on this vacuum. By the way, this is gifted and not sponsored, so all opinions are my own, and I'm just really thankful because I feel like it's really going to change my life and keep my house clean, especially because I've been cooking a lot more and things just drop on the floor in the kitchen. Sometimes Sophie will lick it up. That's kind of gross, but you know, she's a dog. And also sometimes there's just like a bunch of dust on the floor in the kitchen, and that's just not what I want. Ryan's actually at the driving range right now, but when he comes home, I'm probably gonna ask him to set up the wall mount. I really wanna go outside today, but I just like, I'm so drained from that workout, and yesterday we walked around a lot, so I feel like I just want like a chill day, but I also wanna be outside. I actually have a shoot today. If you guys didn't know, I'm a freelance photographer, and so I'm gonna just get my camera bag all ready to go, check everything that has batteries, get all my lenses in there, make sure I have extra SD cards just in case. But then I have my big daddy lens right here. Let's see, putting this one in there. And then obviously I'm filming on my camera right now. I've been vlogging with the camera I take photos with, which is kind of nerve-wracking because if something happens to the camera when I'm vlogging, like, it's not just my little camera anymore, you know what I mean? Because that little camera was not as expensive as this camera, so I definitely have to be way more careful now. But I'm really excited for this shoot. We're actually gonna go to McKinney State Falls. It is pretty close to my apartment. It's beautiful. It has like a swimming hole. You can go swimming in the summer, and it's just really pretty out today, so I'm hoping to get a really cool sun flare shot, and hopefully the weather is not too cold out. I feel like I'm hearing a lot of wind up against the windows, so I'm nervous about that, but it should be a good shoot, so I might get some clips. I'm not sure. I don't really know these people. I obviously just got contacted through Instagram, so I'm not like too comfortable asking them if I can film them, but I might. We'll see. One of my favorite jewelry companies sent me a couple things, so I wanted to show you guys in this vlog. I wear their rings constantly. I have another ring of theirs and I've worn it so much. This ring right here is the croissant ring and it's stunning. And their jewelry is just so good. I could wash my hands with it and it's not gonna turn my finger green. This shit actually lasts. Then I got these hoops which have a little bit of a different design. They're not just like normal. Then of course I had to choose these because everyone needs a pair of like gold small hoops. I feel like they're just so perfect to style with everything. I'm actually gonna put these on right now. For the quality of these pieces, I'm really surprised that C Uniphore has such affordable prices on literally everything. This is the next thing I picked out. I just wanted some basic everyday earrings, especially if I don't want to wear hoops and I just want like a really pretty stud. I got these bad boys. I like them because they have the big jewel, but they also have the gold around it. This is like the earring that you actually loop in your hole and it kind of just like hangs like this. I think these are the coolest earrings ever. I've definitely been starting to wear more like dangly earrings lately because I think they just are so pretty, especially when you're trying to get dressed up for date night or something like that. This is the last piece I picked up. It's kind of similar to the earrings, just that big jewel with the gold hardware. And I just wanted something that I could wear on the daily that isn't gonna bother my neck too much, you know? But I think this is so freaking beautiful. I'm always looking to add more gold jewelry to my collection, so thank you C Uniphore for sending me all of this jewelry. And I'll have their website down below. Their prices are really good, so definitely recommend checking them out. I just had a quick snack, now I'm about to head out for my shoot. I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day because I've been wearing this all day and I didn't even mention it. This sweatsuit is from Shop Red Dress. These pieces are sold separately, but they are so comfortable and so thick, and I have been living in this new zip-up hoodie thing. I just love this cream color. You guys know I'm obsessed with neutrals. I recently got this set, and then I also got a set from Princess Polly that's similar to this, but it's a crew neck hoodie thing. But I actually prefer the zip up because sometimes I'll like get hot and then I'll get cold, so I can just unzip it really quick and not have to worry about getting my makeup all over it, because that's a big issue I have. Like, I wear a lot of neutrals and then I just have orange makeup like all over the collar. It's so annoying. I'm gonna head out now, hoping for some good vibes on the shoot because I'm really excited. I feel like I did do one shoot before this, but this is gonna be like my first couple shoot, kind of back into the swing of things, so it'll be fun. I just got checked into McKinney State Falls. I'm gonna wait on my client for a little bit. It's 4:11 and I think she said she was gonna get here at 4:20, but our session starts at 4:30 and we wanted to just get here earlier because we have to drive a little bit to the falls and park and then walk there. Also, if you just want to come here to hike or just like check it out, you do have to make a reservation ahead of time, and I think it's like $6 per person, so just a heads up. When I pulled in, they had a sign that they were out of reservations, so for the day passes, I guess. It's 6:10. I got home like 30 minutes ago. I just uploaded the photos from the shoot. We had a really fun time. They're such a fun couple. And now I have a pile of laundry to do. I'm gonna start on this. I also have just a lot of computer work to do. I just got off the phone with my mom and I was telling her how I kind of want to like hire an assistant. I feel like I've said this multiple times, but I've always just had so many things running through my mind at all times. I have like a running to-do list of shit that I just cannot get done because I'm only one person. And so I was telling her that like maybe it would just be smart to hire an assistant. I really need to figure that out and just come up with like a list of things for the person to possibly do, and see if it's worth hiring an assistant. I'd also probably want one in the Austin area, just maybe so she could take my photos some days. I don't know. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for dinner, but I'm starving right now. Ryan's about to get home from golf soon again, and then I'm gonna ask him what we are gonna have for dinner.